In this video, we are going to see how to add users to access your software. On the left menu, click on users. You can see already an admin user is present. On the top, click on add user and you will get an add user screen. Enter the desired username. I am entering as user1 and give the user1 a password. I am giving as user1 as well. You can provide a mobile number or an email address, it is optional. On the user type, you can make the user as admin or you can choose as user. If you choose user, the user will not have any permissions. There will be no default permissions, but for admin, the user will have all the permissions. Now let's add two users. One as user type as admin and the next one user type as user. Now let's add the user type and click on add. The user has been added. To manage the user permissions on what the user can access and cannot access, click on the user and below click on permission. The user permissions screen will be displayed and the username will be displayed here. If you need to give permission for this user1 to make a sale, just click the checkbox near sales, and if you need to give access to purchase, you can click the checkbox, and I am going to give the sales, purchase and products, customer or dealer, and that's all. I'm going to restrict this user to only make a sale, purchase, add and manage products and add and manage customer or dealer. He cannot see users, accounting or reports, dashboard analytics, and cannot update the software and cannot access settings. Click on update. Now the user permission has been updated. Let's add a new user with user type admin. Click on add user again. On the username, I am giving A1. Password is also A1. And user type, I am going to choose admin and click on add. The user has been added. Now let's log out. And now let's log in as user1. Click on login. And now you can see the dashboard metrics is not displayed and the number of options are limited. Here only sales is present, purchases is present, products and customer or dealer. So these are the options available for this user. And also a user cannot delete a product. So there will be no edit delete option. And for the customer also, he cannot edit or delete. So if he views the sales or invoice, he cannot delete, he can only add a sale and preview it. So this is the basic difference between a user and an admin. So now let's log out and log in as the admin user that we have added and click login. Now pretty much all the options are present. This admin user can also delete or view and edit the products, customers and sales invoices. You can configure the user according to your employee or user rules. Thank you for watching.